And also maybe we can to meditate on. And the page 35, the last paragraphs. But no matter who or what you are, when death certainly comes, there is nothing you can do about if for even is the moment. You have no choice but to go. Naked and cold, your empty hand slanted stiffly under your armpit, unbearable through it, might be to part with your money, your cherished possessions. Maybe it is like to meditate, to say, if I'm in these situations right now, and what I need to do, there's no kind of freedom. It's difficult to escape from this. And in this moment, maybe I need to go. There's no choice but need to go. And also naked, because it's like I can't take my clothes, I can't take my money, I can't take food, any. Just like kind of the naked, no clothes. Like empty hand means, maybe it is if there's some positive things, maybe it's like not empty. And negative things, there's not very good. The empty hand means we cannot bring nothing. And also is slanted means it is like kind of making the sound by the teeth. And also it's like tidy up the both upper and down teeth. And it's like unbearable things. And stifling, and very like kind of the awful way, and armpit to both arms, like hand is put under your armpit, pit, and unbearable through it. It is the truth. It is very difficult. And also sometimes you can to look this example something that these days in the YouTube. There's many showing just before like someone's dying. Really unbearable this kind of happened right now. And what can I need to? And I cannot to take any my money, any my cherished possessions. In whole my life, I take care of my belonging things. Maybe house, cars, electronic gadgets, belonging things. Cannot to carry any at all. Need to departure. And in this situation, how it is, we think to a little bit more, like meditate on it, analytical meditation. Okay, 5 minutes. And also we can to reveal, to think until what we studied. Maybe during the meditation, the analytical meditations, to think like outer environmental. Also this is a big, huge, but it's nonetheless impermanent. And also inner billions, trillions living beings, also they are the impermanent. There's nothing kind of stabilities and permanent things. And also many holy beings, famous, rich, and all this kind of everybody, everything are the impermanent. And now I realize that Also, I myself also is the impermanent. If now, right now, in this moment, impermanence attack or the occurring to me, what I can need to do? It is truth or not truth? Can we need to a little analyze and to meditate this kind of analytical meditations? And also we don't need now to dedicate prayers. Maybe we can to stop right now and to meditate on the permanent. It's really impermanent, all these things. When you're getting up, and also it is showing the impermanent. Go to the round, also it's like each moment is showing the impermanent. When we feet put on the ground, and also ground itself also impermanent, because it is like kind of the boundary of the aggregations, and also it's like forms are the impermanent. And during the eating times, also concerning each moment is the momentary nature, drink, and until the maybe next session, 3 o'clock, maybe you can going to now to stop here and go outside and do not kind of chatting, gossip things. To all the times to be aware of the impermanent, how it is. Maybe can you meditate on it? We don't need to pray the dedications. And to stop here until the 3 o'clock, and you can go to eat lunch, you can go outside, you can go what you do, but it's maybe it's like kind of the walking meditation, and in the kitchen eating meditation, drink meditation, and everything is meditate on the impermanent. Impermanent is everything are the really it is like impermanent or not impermanent, and through more analytical meditations. And then maybe we can 3 o'clock we can to continue to study and how it is your experience like this. Okay, you don't need to dedication, you just slowly to get up and then is prepare the lunch or something, is mindfulnessly to meditate on the impermanent. It is really true.